The Team Jerome versus Team Thunder match is ready to begin. And let's hear it for Team Dizzy, who are today's safety team. They're the best rescue team in the world. Give it up for Team Jerome, Air Show fans. And let's hear it for Team Thunder. The first event will be stunt flying with contrails. Contrails are smoke trails that planes leave behind in the sky. The team that makes the most inventive designs will be the winner. Now let the competition begin.
Team Jerome rules the air. Get in our way, don't you dare.
Team Jerome just drew a map of Abu Dhabi.
Whoa! We were fantastic! Beat that, Team Thunder.
Not happening. We've got this event in the bag.
Okay, maybe we can't do tight turns like Team Jerome can. So we're going to fly really close together and make a huge contrail.
But we haven't practiced a move like that, Thunder.
Isn't that a bit risky?
Team Thunder didn't get to the top without taking risks, right?
Right, we sure didn't.
Let's do it.
Now it's Team Thunder's turn to show us some smoking designs.
Go Team Thunder!
Team Thunder, full of wonder!
Team Thunder is flying super close together. What are they planning?
What is Team Thunder up to?
Okay, team, stoke your smoke and let's scatter!
Wow! Look how wide that contrail is. I've never seen one that thick.
Now, keep it closed.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Rescue riders, planes are in trouble. Scramble!
They may need my help. Gotta go. Hang on, and we'll guide you both to the ground. Gotcha!
Rescue rope, action! Power bomb!
Whoa!
Team power, in for the win!
Oh, I'm sorry if I pushed too hard, Thermo and Strato. Thanks for your help, rescue riders.
No problem. Good job, everyone. Now let me check out the damage.
First off, thanks to the rescue riders for getting Team Thunder safely to the ground. And congratulations to Team Jerome. The judges have awarded them the win in the first event.
We did it! We did it! Our smoke trails are awesome! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
How are they, Zoe?
They'll be fine, but they are done flying for today.
I'm so sorry we can't help Team Thunder win this competition.
But we can't wait to be in the next air show. Anytime, anywhere.
What are you gonna do, Thunder? Without teammates, can you still compete in the show?
That decision is with the judges now.
Thunder! If you can replace your injured teammates, your team will be allowed to continue competing. The next event is in 5 minutes.
Yes!
Even if I can replace Strato and Thermo, there's no time to get new members to work as a team. I may have to give up.
Super Wings never give up.
Huh?
And neither does Team Thunder. Dizzy and I will join your team if you'll have us.
Of course! I was so impressed with your flying and teamwork skills when you rescued my team earlier.